So today we will see how to restore or recover deleted environments from Business Central Admin Center. So Business Central comes with the promise of keeping our data safe and available to us. So in the Business Central 21.4 release, Microsoft gave environments a soft delete option for 7 days after we delete the environments. So the same terms apply when the environment is scheduled for deletion after a trial has expired as well. So during this time, admins can restore the deleted environments in the Business Central Admin Center. So let's see how it works. So let's go to the new updated Dynamics 365 Business Central Admin Center. So environments in the soft deleted state are visible in the admin center. So admins can restore such environments without having to involve Microsoft support. In earlier versions, so we require urgent assistance from Microsoft support. So now let's see where we can find and how to recover deleted environments. So here in the environment section, so you can see earlier we used to have only new and refresh actions. So now we have recently deleted environments as well. So when I click the recently deleted environment, so right now I do not have anything here. So let's go back to the environments, and I have a sandbox environment. So I created it just for this deletion purpose. So let's open that environment and click delete and click yes, and then enter the sandbox name. So to be deleted and click delete. So now the environment is in soft deleting state. So you can notice that here. So which means it is deleting. So let's wait for some time. Uh, okay, now you can see that the environment is deleted and not available from environments list. Now let's go to recently deleted environment. So here you can notice that to be deleted sandbox environment is available and the state is soft deleted, right? So here also you can notice uh, the actions like set update window and set update date. So which means I think we can still set the updates to the soft deleted environments as well. So here we can see the other reasons, like deleted reason is requested by admin, and the other details, soft deleted on and hard deletion pending on. So which means it gave us 7 days time for the hard deletion. Okay, now let's see how to recover this environment. So here you can notice that recover option. So let's click on recover. So here, we got confirmation message to recover. So click on yes. So now you can see that recover scheduled. So the recover has been scheduled, and now let's refresh this one, and it is in the recovering state. So let's go back to the environment. So the environment is not yet available here. So let's go to the deleted environments list. So here you can see that the state is recovering. So yeah, I'm sure it is going to take some time. So I will pause this video for some time, and once the environment is recovered, I will start the video. All right, so now you can see that the environment is recovered with state active. So if we go back to the recently deleted, now nothing will be here. So if you want to see the operations, so we can go to the operations tab and we can see the operations that we performed. So yesterday night, I tried to delete and recovered. So here you can see that the recovery took like 9 minutes. So today again, I deleted for this video. And then when I tried to recover, so it almost took 30 minutes. So not sure what is the reason, but it took longer than what I expected. All right, so this is the process to recover any deleted environment within 7 days.